Start.
The class 9th, good, good morning to everybody. Chapter 1, The French Revolution, Subject History. Introduction. The French Revolution is regarded as a landmark in human history because of its far-reaching consequences. Consequences मतलब result. It put an end to all the old tradition and institution and gave the birth to new political ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. It created a stir in the whole of Europe and had its impact on many countries of the world. This is the introduction of French Revolution. You should know French Revolution was started in 1789. The French Revolution. On the morning of 14th July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. Paris is the capital of France. The king had commanded troops to move into the city. Full stop. Rumors spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizens. Some 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a pupils' militia. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. Finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison, the Bastille, where they hoped to find hoarded ammunition. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released, though there were only 7 of them. Yet the Bastille was hated by all because it stood for the despotic power of the king. The fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the market to all those who wished to keep a souvenir of his destruction. The days that followed saw more rioting both in Paris and the countryside. Full stop. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread. Much later, when historians looked back upon this time, they saw it as the beginning of a chain of events that ultimately led to the execution of the king in France, though most people at the time did not anticipate that this outcome. How and why did this happen? Now I am going to say you underline the main words fragment. Its meaning is English to English a small part broken off. Ammunition. Underline the chapter page a supply of bullets. Demolished. Underline damage. Next topic is the old regime and its crisis. Regime means a system of doing something. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. The seeds of the French Revolution were sown in ancient regimes. There was an absolute monarchy in France. The king regarded himself the representative of God on earth. Monarchy means rule by the king. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of kings ascended the throne of France. He was 20 years old and married to the Austrian princess Marie Antoinette. Upon his accession, the new king found an empty treasury. Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of immense palace of Versailles. Under Louis XVI, France held the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from the common enemy Britain. The war added more than a billion levers to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion levers. Lenders who gave the state credit now began to change 10% interest on loans, so the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of budget on interest payments of alone. To meet these regular expenses, such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court running government officers on universities, the state was forced to increase taxes, yet even this measure would not have suffered. French society in the 18th century was divided into three estates, and only members of the third estate paid taxes. Social elements responsible for the revolution. The French society was divided into three classes known as estate. So what do you mean by estate? The French society was divided in three classes. It is known as estate. The first estate was the clergy, a large house with extensive grounds, the priest and the minister. It means clergy. Second estate was of nobles. Noble means belonging to aristocracy. The third estate was the masses. What is the meaning of masses? Common people. The society of estate was part of the feudal system that dated back into the Middle Age. Figure 2 shows, this is the figure 2. Figure 2 shows how the system of estate of French society was organized. Peasants made up about 90% of the population. However, only a small number of them owned the land they cultivated. About 60% of the land was owned by the nobles, the church, and other richer members of the third estate. The members of the first two states, that is clergy. So first estate and second estate was the clergy, and the nobility enjoyed certain privilege by birth. Privilege means, underline the word, advantage. The most important of this was exemption from paying taxes to the state. The nobles further enjoyed feudal privilege. This included feudal dues which they extracted from the peasants. Peasant means farmer, underline the words. Peasants were obliged to render service to the lord, to work in house and fields, to serve in the army, or participate in building role. The church too extracted means effort, underline the words, its share of taxes called tithes from the peasants. And finally, all members of the third state had to pay taxes to the state. They included direct tax called tally, and a number of indirect taxes which were levied on articles of everyday consumption like salt or tobacco. The burden of financing activities of the state through taxes was borne by third estate alone. Continue to live. The population of France rose from about 23 million. 1 million means 10 lakh in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. This led to a rapid increase in the demand for food grains. Production of grains could not keep pace with the demand, so the price of bread, which was the staple diet of the majority, rose rapidly. Most workers were employed as laborers, the workshop whose owner fixed their wages. But wages did not keep whenever the drought or hail reduced the harvest. This led to a subsistence crisis, something that occurred frequently in the France during Old Reagan. How a subsistence crisis happens: bad harvest, scarcity of grain, rising food prices, the poorest can no longer buy feed, distance epidemic, increased number of deaths, weaker bodies, food crisis. How the subsistence crisis happens: number 1, bad harvest; number 2, scarcity of grain; number 3, rising food prices; number 4, the poorest can no longer buy bread. The poorest people were suffering to purchase something, bread. Number 5, disease epidemics. Epidemics was spread all over France at that time. Number 6, increased number of dead persons. Number 7, weaker bodies. Number 8, food riots. French Revolution. So I am going to say that in my own view, French Revolution was started in 1789 because at that time the king was Louis XVI. He took the money from the common people and expended that money for his family, and the judiciary system was collapsed, and the 80% tax had to given to the king by the farmer. That was the main causes of French Revolution. A growing middle class envisages an end to privilege. Envisage means imagine, underline the word. Privilege means advantage. In the past, peasant, I had already told you farmers. Peasant means farmer, and workers had participated in revolts against increasing taxes and food scarcity. So farmers and workers of France participate in revolt because the taxes was increased and food scarcity. Scarcity means lack. So what are the causes? Lack of food and the increasing of taxes by the king to the common people. But they lacked the means and programs to carry out full-scale measures that would bring about a change in the social and economic order. This was left to those groups within the third estate who had become prosperous and had access to education and new ideas. The 18th century witnessed the emergence of social groups. 18th century means 700 to 799, termed the middle classes, who earned their wealth through an expanding overseas trade and from the manufacture of goods such as woolen and silk textiles that were either exported or brought by the richer members of society. Full stop. In addition to merchants and manufacturers, the third estate included professions such as lawyers or administrative officials. Full stop. All of these were educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. Full stop. Rather, a person's social position must depend on his merit. These ideas, everything a society based on freedom and equal laws and opportunity for all, were put forward by philosophers such as John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. So who was Rousseau? Rousseau and John Locke was the philosopher of France. In his two treatments of government, Locke sought to refute the doctrine of divine and absolute right of monarchy. Rousseau carried the ideas forward, proposing a form of government based on a social contract between people and their representative. In the Spirit of Laws, it was written by Montesquieu. So Montesquieu was also a great writer and philosopher of France who wrote the book of Spirit of Laws, a division of power within the government between the legislative, the executive and the judiciary. Legislative is the making the laws of the country. What do you mean by legislature? Legislature is the making the law of the country. The executive is the main body of the government. It implies the policy of the government, and the judiciary is given the punishment to those who are involved in crime. The model of government was put into force in the USA after the 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain. The American Constitution and its guarantee of individual rights was an important example for political thinkers of France. The ideas of the philosopher were discussed intensely in the salons and coffee houses and spread among people through books and newspaper. These were frequently had allowed in groups for the benefit of those who could not read and write. The news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to the able of meet the expenses of the state government anger and protest against the system of privilege. Revolution. So I told you French Revolution was held in 1789 due to Louis XVI, who was the king of at that time. So what is the meaning of outbreak? Outbreak means result. Louis XVI had to increase taxes for reasons you have learnt in previous section. So Louis XVI increased the taxes in France. Farmers had to pay 80% taxes to the king. That is why French Revolution was started. Another reason was that judiciary system was collapsed in the at that time. How do you think he could have gone about doing this? In France of old regime means government. The monarch did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the Estates General, which could then pass his proposal for new taxes. The Estate General was a political body to which the three estates sent their representative. However, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting of this body. The last time it was done was in 16 on 5th May 1789. Louis XVI called to an assembly of the Eastern General to pass proposal of new taxes. A replenished hall in Versailles was prepared to host the delegate. The first and second estate 300 representatives who were seated in rows facing each other on two sides, while the 600 members of the third estate had to stand at the back. The third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. Peasants, artisans, and women were denied into the assembly. However, their grievances and demands were listened to. Some 40,000 letters which the representative had brought in within this. 1774. You know that 1774. What was the important date of 1774? Louis XVI became the King of France. If I ask you when Louis XVI became the King of France, 1774 faces empty treasury. When he became the King of France in 1774, Louis XVI, he saw that treasury was very empty and growing discontent with the society of the old regime. Regime means government. 1789, convocation of Estate General. Third estate from National Assembly, the Bastille is stormed. Peasants revolt in outside. 1791, a constitution is framed to limit the power of the king and the guarantee was right to all human beings. In 1791, power of the king decreased and rights was given all masses in France. So, and 1792 to 1793, France became a republic country. The king is beheaded. So when the France became a republic country, 1792-1793, overthrow of the Jacobin Republic of a direct territory rules France. 1804, Napoleon became Emperor of France, annexed large part of Europe. So 1804, why 1804 is important? Napoleon Bonaparte became the King of France. 1815, Napoleon defeated at Waterloo. If I ask you when Battle of Waterloo was held, 1815. Before he won 3 battles. Napoleon won 3 battles, 1805, 1806 and 1807. In 1815, Napoleon defeated in Battle of Waterloo. Voting in the Estates General in the past had been conducted according to principle that each estate had one vote. The time to Louis XVI was determined to continue the same practice, full stop. But members of the third estate demanded that voting now be conducted by the assembly as a whole. where each member would have one vote. This was one of the democratic principles put forward by philosophers like Ratio in his book. Who was Ratio? Ratio was a philosopher of France, the social contract, who wrote the book Social Contract. When the king rejected this proposal, members of the third estate walked out of the assembly in protest. The representatives of the third estate viewed themselves as spokesmen for the whole French nation. On 20 June, they assembled in all of the indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles. They declared themselves a national assembly and swore out not to disperse till they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the powers of monarchs. They were led by the Mirabeau and Abbassies. Mirabeau was born in a noble family but was convinced of the need to do away with a society of feudal privilege. He bowed out a journal and delivered powerful speeches to the crowds assembled at Versailles. Abbassies, originally a priest, wrote an influential pamphlet called the What is the Third Estate? While the assembly was busy at Versailles drafting a constitution, the rest of France seized the turmoil, confusion. A severe winter had made a bad harvest. The price of bread rose. Often bakers exploited the situation and hoarded supplies. After spending hours in long queues at the bakery, crowds of angry women stormed into the shops. At the same time, the king ordered troops to move into Paris. On 14 July, the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. Bastille was destroyed on 14 July in 1789. In the countryside, rumors spread from village to village that the lords of the manor had hired bands of brigands who were on their way to destroy the ripe crops. Caught a frenzy of fear, peasants in several districts seized houses and pitchforks and attacked chartyfolks. They looked, hoarded grain and burned down documents containing records of manorial dues. A large number of nobles fled down from their homes, many of them migrating to neighboring countries. Faced with the power of revolting, Sovereign Louis XVI finally according recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his power would fall from now on the checked by a constitution. On the night of 4th August 70, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligation and taxes. Members of the clergy too were forced to give up their privilege. Tithes were abolished and lands owned by the church were confiscated. As a result, the government acquired asset worth at least 2 billion livres. Became a constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution 1791. Its main object was to limit the powers of the monarch. These powers, instead of being concentrated in the hands of one person, were now separate, assigned to different institutions: the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. As I told you earlier, the legislature means law-making body, executive implements the law of the country, and judiciary gives punishment those who are involved in crime. So what are the three organs of the government? The legislature, executive, and judiciary. This made France a constitutional monarchy. The Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make laws in National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. That is, citizens voted for a group of electors who in turn closed the assembly. Not all, however, had the right to vote. Only men above 25 years age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of a laborer's wage were given the status of active citizen. That is, their entailed the vote. The remaining men and all women were closed off passive citizens to qualify as an elector, and as a member of the assembly, a man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayers. 25 हुआ नहीं. To tell you French Revolution. So French Revolution was held in 1789. Though Louis XVI was the king of France at that time. If I ask you what was the causes of French Revolution, 3 points are there. That Louis XVI took the taxes from the common people. Point number 2, judiciary system was collapsed. Third point is that 80% tax was given to the Louis XVI by the farmer.